Hey everyone! What if your clutch pedal feels loose or unresponsive and suddenly your car won't start? You press the pedal but nothing happens, or maybe your check engine light just turned on. If your obd2 scanner shows P0823, clutch switch circuit high, it means the clutch switch is sending an abnormally high voltage to the ECU. This can cause starting issues, gear shifting problems, or even complete transmission failure. In this video, we'll break down what P0823 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0823? The P0823 trouble code appears when the clutch switch circuit is receiving a voltage higher than expected. This switch is essential in manual transmission cars because it tells the ECU when the clutch is engaged. Common symptoms of P0823. Car won't start or takes multiple attempts. Clutch pedal feels stuck or loose. Hard gear shifting in manual transmissions. Check engine. Light turns on possible limp mode activation. If you're facing any of these issues, let's locate the clutch switch and related sensors to diagnose the problem, sensor and component locations, where to find them. To fix P0823, you need to inspect these key components. Clutch pedal position sensor, CPS. Clutch switch. Location, mounted on the clutch pedal bracket, usually near the firewall or clutch master cylinder. Function, detects when the clutch is pressed and sends signals to the ECU for proper gear engagement. Clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder location, near the firewall, connected to the clutch pedal via hydraulic lines. Function, controls hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage the clutch. Transmission Control Module, TCM, Engine Control Module, ECM, location near the transmission or under the dashboard. Function, processes, clutch signals for smooth gear shifting. Wiring harness and connectors, location, runs between the clutch switch, ECM and TCM. Function, transfers voltage signals from the clutch pedal to the car's computer. Fuse and relay for clutch circuit, if equipped. Location, in the fuse box under the dashboard or hood. Function, protects the circuit from power surges and failures. Common causes of P0823, faulty clutch position sensor. A failing switch can send incorrect high voltage signals. Misaligned or stuck clutch pedal. The pedal may not engage the switch properly. Short circuit or damaged wiring, loose or broken wires can cause high voltage readings. Defective transmission control module, TCM, or engine control module, ECM. A failing module can misinterpret clutch signals. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A fuse or relay failure can disrupt the power supply to the clutch switch. How to fix P0823? Step 1. Inspect the clutch position sensor, CPS. Use a multimeter to check for excessive voltage. Replace if necessary. Step 2. Check the clutch pedal and hydraulic system. Ensure the pedal moves freely and engages the switch properly. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for corroded or damaged wires near the clutch pedal. Step 4. Scan the TCM ECM for additional codes. If other clutch-related codes appear, there may be an issue with the control module. Step 5. Test the fuse and relay for clutch circuit. Replace if blown or malfunctioning. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0823 code and verify that the clutch system works properly. The P0823 code can lead to serious clutch and starting problems, but diagnosing the clutch switch, wiring, and related components will help you fix it quickly. Watch these related videos next. P0512, starter request, circuit low, P0513, incorrect immobilizer, key like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.